Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet the ornament stitch. Start with the chain 37 or any multiple of 8 plus 5. Skip the first 3 chains and make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Then make a double crochet in the next chain. Skip 2 chains and make 5 double crochet stitches all in that next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains and make 5 double crochet stitches all in that next chain. And 5. Skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Continue with this pattern across the row. You'll end with the 3 double crochet stitches. For row 2, we'll begin with the chain 3 and turn our work. That chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, so we just need to make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And chain 2. Here's a really fun stitch. It's a front post, double crochet, 5 together stitch. Begin your first double crochet around the post, but don't finish it. Next, begin the second double crochet around the post and don't finish it. Next is the third double crochet. Fourth double crochet post stitch. And finally, the 5th and last double crochet post stitch. Yarn over and draw through all of the loops on your hook. And chain 2. Over the next 3 stitches, just make 1 double crochet in each of them. Chain 2. And we'll do that front post, double crochet, 5 together stitch again. Start with the first double crochet, but don't finish it. Second double crochet, double crochet number 3, number 4, and finally our last double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 2. You can see what it looks like thus far. And over the next 3 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each of them. Continue with this pattern across the row. You can see the 3D ornaments starting to form. The back side sort of looks like diamonds. For row 3, I like to change colors every 2 rows. Chain 3 to begin and turn. As before, the chain 3 is our first double crochet, so we'll make 2 more stitches over the remaining double crochet. Over this previous 5 together stitch, right at the top of it, we'll do 5 double crochet stitches, all in that little space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do not do any chain stitches this time. We'll move right into the 1 double crochet over the next 3 stitches. No chain stitches again. Just move on to the top of the previous 5 together stitch, and in it, make 5 double crochet stitches. And do the 1 double crochet over the next 3 double crochet stitches. You can see what this row looks like. Continue with this pattern. For row 4, we'll start with the chain 3 and turn. Basically, we'll just repeat row 2. Do the 1 double crochet in the remaining 2 stitches. This time we do a chain 2. Then do that front post 5 together stitch over the previous 5 double crochet. Chain 2. As before over the 3 double crochet, make 1 double crochet stitch. Continue across. To continue on, just repeat rows 3 and 4 for as many rows as you wish, changing colors every 2 rows. And that's how I crochet the ornament stitch.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.